So this is how you get paid when you operate as a director of a limited company. Now lock in, this is going to be a long one, but you'll like it. We're going to cover corporation tax, income tax, and student loan if applicable. So the first component of this is your £50,000 is made up of two components, a £12,500 salary and £37,000 in dividends. Your 12.5 grand salary is paid to you as an employee of the business because you're director. That £12,500 is an expense to the business and therefore reduces your company's taxable profit. Once the company is then allowed for corporation tax, you can then take the rest out in the form of dividends. So that's 37.7k in dividends, 12.5 grand in salary, so about 50 grand on your self-assessment. So that's now going to trigger tax on your self-assessment of about £4,000 in the 26-27 tax year. If you now have a Plan 2 student loan, you add about 2.5 grand to that. What about the corporation tax? So on £100,000 worth of profit in the limited company, so you've paid yourself a 12.5 grand salary, which effectively reduces your taxable profit down to about 87.5k. Now you've also got employers' national insurance to pay on that of about 1,100 quid, which now your taxable profit in your company has now come down to 86k. Corporation tax on that £86,000 is going to be around 19k, which leaves about £67,000 in the company. You've taken out 37.7k as dividends, which should now leave about £29,000 in your company. So about £24,000 tax paid on £100,000 worth of taxable profit. But what would you have paid if you stayed as a sole trader? Well, you would have paid around £31,000 operating as a sole trader, meaning in this scenario, you've saved about £7,000 having switched to a limited company. Now, the saving is only generated because you left that 29-ish K in the business. If you took all the money out of the business, you'd actually be about 4 grand a year worse off operating as a limited company. Now, if you need more than 50k, the scenario is different. If you make more than 100k, the scenario is different. Everyone is different. This is a quick guide to show you the mechanics of how you operate and the taxes you've got to consider when extracting money out of your limited company.